Welcome to this complete Ghent Belgium guide. Imagine a city where medieval charm marries modern vibrancy, where art and architecture are as much a part of the culture as the people themselves. That's Ghent for you, a hidden gem in the crown of Belgium. Rich in history and brimming with stunning architecture, Ghent is a city that promises to captivate the heart of every traveler. Our journey today will take us through 8 remarkable locations. From the majestic Gravensteen Castle, the divine St. Bavo's Cathedral, the picturesque Graslei and Cathedral to the iconic Belfry of Ghent. We'll explore the masterpiece that is the Ghent altarpiece, lose ourselves in the charming Picturesque district, marvel at the wonder of St. Nicholas's Church, and end our tour at the exquisite Museum of Fine Arts. So, ready to dive into the history and beauty of Ghent? Our first stop is Gravensteen Castle. Gravensteen Castle, a medieval fortress with a millennial history, is our first stop. Nestled in the heart of Ghent, this towering marvel dates back to the Middle Ages. Imposing stone walls, fortified towers, and a broad moat transport us back to a time of knights and nobles. Inside the castle, you'll find a unique feature, a museum dedicated to instruments of justice, or rather, instruments of torture from bygone eras. Quite a contrast to the romantic aura of the castle's exterior, isn't it? But that's Gravensteen for you, a blend of beauty and brutality, reflecting the diverse facets of medieval life. With its captivating architecture and fascinating history, this castle is more than just a relic. It's a testament to Ghent's rich past. And so, with the echoes of ancient tales still reverberating in our ears, we leave the imposing Gravensteen Castle. From this medieval fortress, we now move to a place of divine serenity, St. Bavo's Cathedral. Welcome to St. Bavo's Cathedral, a marvel of religious architecture. This grand edifice, standing tall in the heart of Ghent since the 14th century, is a testament to the city's rich history. Its architectural style is an elegant blend of Romanesque, Gothic and Baroque influences, which is a feast for the eyes of every architecture enthusiast. The cathedral is more than just a place of worship. It's also home to one of the most significant pieces of art in the world, the Ghent altarpiece. This masterpiece, created by the Van Eyck brothers in the early 15th century, is a stunning portrayal of biblical scenes that have fascinated art lovers for centuries. It's not just the art and architecture that makes St. Bavo's Cathedral remarkable, it's also the sense of tranquility, the echoes of history, and the profound spiritual energy that permeate its ancient walls. From this divine place, we now head to the picturesque Graslei and Cathedral. Graslei and Cathedral, the twin streets of Ghent, are our next stop. Imagine a scene from a postcard, brought to life. That's exactly what you experience when you stroll down these streets. Lined with beautifully preserved medieval buildings, each structure narrates a chapter from history. Let's start with the Graslei side. Here you'll find the Great Butcher's Hall, a relic from the Middle Ages when meat selling was centralized. It's a sight to behold with its unique wooden structure and ornate details. Across the canal on Cathedral stands the majestic Speaker, dating back to the 12th century. Its stepped gable and crow-step design are a testament to the architectural prowess of the bygone era. Each building along these streets has its own story to tell, and they collectively paint a vivid picture of Ghent's rich past. So, take your time, soak in the beauty, and let history whisper in your ears. From the charming streets, we move to the iconic Belfry of Ghent. Standing tall in the heart of the city is the Belfry of Ghent. This iconic structure, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, holds a history as old as the 14th century. It was built as a symbol of the city's autonomy, where the municipal privileges were kept, guarded by a dragon at the top. The Belfry is the middle child in Ghent's famous three-tower row, but it certainly doesn't suffer from any middle child syndrome. It towers over the cityscape, boasting its Gothic architectural style. Now let's talk about the view. The Belfry offers a panoramic perspective of the city. From the top, you can see the charming maze of Ghent's medieval city centre, the winding canals, and the surrounding architectural marvels. It's a sight that's worth the climb indeed. But let's not linger too long. From this towering structure, our journey through Ghent's rich history continues. Let's head from this towering structure to the masterpiece of the city, the Ghent altarpiece. The Ghent altarpiece, a masterpiece of the early Northern Renaissance, awaits us. This magnificent work of art is the creation of the brothers Hubert and Jan van Eyck, painted around the early 15th century. With its grandeur and complexity, the Ghent altarpiece has been a source of awe and inspiration for centuries. The altarpiece is a polyptych consisting of 12 panels, each intricately detailed and telling a fascinating story. The central panel depicts an idyllic adoration of the mystic Lamb, a scene that has captivated countless viewers. And let's not forget the vivid portraits of Adam and Eve, which stand out for their striking realism, a testament to the Van Eyck's mastery. Over the centuries, the Ghent altarpiece has survived iconoclasm, Napoleon's looting, and even the ravages of World War II. Today, it stands as a testament to the resilience of art and the enduring power of beauty. From this artistic marvel, let's wander into the charming Picturesque district. Picturesque district, Ghent's culinary heart, is our next destination. This charming locality, steeped in rich history, is one of the oldest areas in Ghent. The district's cobblestone streets, which once echoed the footsteps of medieval craftsmen, now resonate with the delightful sounds of bustling cafes and restaurants. The Picturesque district is a testament to Ghent's evolution, beautifully marrying the past and the present. Its medieval architecture, juxtaposed with contemporary eateries, provides a unique charm that's hard to resist. This area is a foodie's paradise, offering a smorgasbord of culinary delights. From traditional Flemish cuisine to fusion food and gourmet dining, there's something to tantalize every taste bud. The district is also renowned for its cozy, family-owned establishments where every dish is served with a generous portion of warmth and hospitality. From the culinary heart of Ghent, we now move to another architectural wonder, St. Nicholas Church. Welcome to St. Nicholas's Church, an epitome of Scheldt Gothic architecture. This captivating edifice, with its towering spires and intricate stonework, has been a silent witness to Ghent's history for over 8 centuries. Its inception dates back to the early 13th century, a testament to the city's prosperous trading period. St. Nicholas's Church is a stellar example of the Scheldt Gothic style, characterized by its stepped gables, soaring towers, and the use of Tournai limestone, giving the structure an imposing yet elegant look. The church's interiors are just as impressive, boasting a rich collection of art and a stunning organ, considered one of the most beautiful in Belgium. But it's not just about the architecture, the art, or the organ. St. Nicholas's Church holds a special place in the hearts of Ghent's residents. It's not just a building, it's a symbol of the city's resilience, its history, and its spirit. From this religious wonder, we head to our final destination, the Museum of Fine Arts. The Museum of Fine Arts, a haven for art lovers, is our final stop. This exquisite institution, nestled in the heart of Ghent, is a testament to the city's rich artistic heritage and unyielding commitment to the celebration of creativity. Established in the early 18th century, the museum's history is as fascinating as the art it houses. Over the years, it has evolved from a royal academy into a public museum, witnessing the ebb and flow of artistic styles and movements, and becoming a mirror reflecting the changing face of European art. The collection here is vast and varied, spanning several centuries and diverse genres. From the medieval masterpieces of the Flemish primitives to the bold brushstrokes of the expressionists, the museum is a visual journey through time. Here, every painting, every sculpture, every artifact tells a story, whispering tales of the artists who created them and the eras they lived in. A few notable works that grace the museum's halls include the dramatic Christ on the Cross by Anthony van Dyck, the enigmatic Sphinx by Fernand Knopf, and the thought-provoking The Drunkard by James Ensor. Each piece is a testament to the skill and vision of its creator, offering visitors a chance to see the world through the eyes of some of the greatest artists in history. But the Museum of Fine Arts is more than just a repository of art. It's a vital part of Ghent's cultural landscape, a place where art is not just displayed, but also discussed, debated, and appreciated. It's a space that fosters creativity, encourages exploration, and inspires awe. With this, we conclude our tour of Ghent, a city where history and modernity blend seamlessly, a city that cradles its past in its cobblestone streets and ancient structures while embracing the future with its vibrant art scene and progressive outlook. Until next time, keep exploring.